This is Scrapbook.com, and we're looking at a new stamp set that's called DIY Coupons. I love this because you can create coupons for your loved ones for Valentine's Day as rewards, and they all say something fun and different. So it says you won. This is just one of the options in there. It says this is your sweet prize. So you with your penmanship can fill out what the prize is. Here's a really cute card made with this ticket set, and it's for Mom on Mother's Day. And it says redeem for, and she wrote in one giant hug from Melissa. And then another idea I like is somebody made this cute little circus coupon book. So how fun would this be if you are going to the circus, you have a circus themed birthday party, or you could even make this look like Christmas or St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Valentine's Day would be a great idea. And they can rip this coupon off because they scored the edge here. So you can rip it off and you can either fill them all out or keep it blank, whatever you want to do. So super fun ideas of how to use this DIY coupon stamp set, and you can find it in our store at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!